Boy, oh boy, I can't believe it. Big 2017 on Valentine's Day come catch me. Lonely and by myself again. Imagine. From 2010 to 2017, now I'm just a galang so. Just walkless so. Me I'm a sauce and miggle with my strong back juice, so I'm not even a use. Boy, you can't. Who is a call me? Hello?
When I first saw you, I already knew
Send me a scammer? Send me a druggist? My girl, who you be?
there was something inside of you.
No, sir, but the girl you're bright. My girl, come off my phone, yeah? I really must set out some crosses for me now. I just can't bother. Watch out. Hello?
Have you ever loved somebody so much it makes you cry?
What kind of question that you ask me? Not even know me and you ask me them something there? You a Jehovah Witness?
Have you ever?
Hear me no man, my girl?
Have you ever?
You're righted. Them said if you come antagonize me or something. Jesus, P, man, like, if you just come and ask me one back a question me for. Jesus, P. No, Jesus, no. Hello?
How could an angel break my heart?
No, sir, but listen to me dying trial. I mean, you go tell us if I go sleep with one of Jesus' virgin them. I must some dopey said for me, cause me just... Jesus, no, watch it again. Hello?
There's a stranger in my heart.
So lady, why you call me for? Me look like me a indicum? You see Hawkeye and King Alarm mark on my face? I know them where I circulate. And the little scam where you keep every day if I go try to tell man say I breed for them. Me never do nothing. Hello?
Turn your lights down low.
You know, say it's a true something I talk. I really need for conserving because last month my bill come up to about $15,000. Yeah, hello. Look for me good. Me look like me a fault to you? Hello?
Just run to the arms of the one who loves you.
I'm tired. I swear I can't take another call. I don't know what... That's crazy. Hello?
Remember the first day when I saw your face. Remember the first day when you smiled at me. You stepped to me and then you said to me, I was the woman you dreamed about.
Who this? Your voice kinda sound familiar. Hello? 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 Can't bother you, man.